All right, Michael here again. I want to walk you through one of the most frequent questions we get, which is, hey, I made some changes in admin, but I'm not seeing them in C-Trax. Well, we want to make sure to remind you, C-Trax downloads all of your data and puts it in the system here for you. So if you make a change in admin, like adding a new employee or changing a price, some things will update automatically, but we always recommend you can reinitialize your data. So the quick way to get here is navigation, then you hit settings, then you hit other, and you tap this reinitialize data. And what this does is restart the app, and you can say it's going through my steps here. It's re-downloading all of my products, all of my customers, all of my coupons, and now all the products will be updated in the system. So remember, if pins aren't working, if prices are incorrect, if coupons are missing, or whole products are missing, that is the quickest first step you can do yourself. Just reinitialize that data and it'll go back and fetch everything from the database for you. Thanks.